Alright friends, I just want to give you a quick pro tip. When you are installing the batteries, one thing you want to make sure you're doing is test on the power supply voltage, because that will depend, your battery will depend on the supply voltage. So you want to keep it about 13.5 volts, and as you can see, this one, these two bottom terminals, they're the ones that actually connect to your battery. So you could meter it up here, and I'll just show you that it'll be the same. So here we go, 13.5, and then your output from your power supply is a little tricky with one hand. We'll get it. There we go, 13.5. Now if you put a fresh battery in there and you meter your battery will probably show whatever voltage the battery was, so possibly 12, possibly 14. You want to make sure this is set properly, so that way after you set it and walk away, it'll charge it to the correct state. And the reason for the video now is this guy over here. So this battery's been here for a while. I'm checking the supply voltage, and if I can get it here, so we're showing 12.5. That's not terrible, but let me show you what to do to get it up to 13.5. So if you look carefully here, the manufacturer seals this because they preset this, so the power supply could be getting a little old. All you do is just kind of get that little thing out of the way, and you're just gonna stick your little screwdriver here and spin this knob. Now I'm gonna try to do this with the video, but to cheat, I'm just gonna put this on the battery terminals, and it'll work. Hopefully. Alright, here we go. So 12.5, put your little screwdriver in and you go clockwise to raise the voltage. So very little bit at a time. Let's double check our supply. So obviously when you turn this up, it'll put out more voltage, but the battery takes a few more minutes to acclimate to the new voltage. So let's just double check directly at the terminal. Let's put the screwdriver down. You guys get the point though. This might be a little tricky just because I'm holding the camera here, and these terminals keep adjusting. There we go. So we're still at 12.5. Okay, so we might need to turn this knob a little more, or the power supply could be dead or dying. There we go, actually. A little bit more. So now we're getting up there. I like to see at least 13 volts because the battery nominal voltage, I believe, is 12.5 or so. So you want to keep it above 12 volts. See, it's slowly rising. We'll go ahead and a little bit more, and then we will see what the output is. So we're at 13 volts so far. 13.1. So what I would do is I would just let it settle for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then come back and see how it's still rising. So this is still adjusting. 13.2. I would say that's good to go right there. And then if you do a monthly or weekly or annual check, just come back and check the voltage, see it's still rising. So even if it's a little over 13.5, that's not bad, but I have a feeling it'll settle 13.4 maybe. 13.3. So there you go. That's how you guys adjust the voltage on these electronics power supplies. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any other questions or any other videos you would like me to make. 13.5. I might even turn it back just a little bit. I just like to keep it at 13.5. So just a hair turn back. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.